Yo, what's going on, guys? It's Gaming Masters, also known as Azan, and today we're doing some Bee Swarm Simulator. Let's claim my hive. This is my hive. I just started a few months ago, 4 months ago. But I still think my hive's okay. This is it. By the way, this is it. How are you all doing? By the way, I hope you're having a wonderful day. And let's see. Let's go all the honey. Okay, so today I actually have a really hard interest of beating this quest of a panda bear. We are starting to get very close to completing Panda Bear's quest. And I'm starting to get really excited to get the star jelly. I'm kind of getting close. Alright, let's go there. Whoa! Ah, dude, what the heck? Ah. Guys, also, I would appreciate a like and sub. You don't need to do it. It's not mandatory at all. I'm not making you guys do it at all. But it would really help. It would really help, guys. Alright. What the heck, dude? Oh, it's one of these things. It's so rare. Swear to God. Dude, I just need to get one more spider. Then I think I might have collected it. Oh, yeah. I love these beans. They give you a lot of good effects. Another big spider. Yo, so I think we could be kind of excited today, dude. We could be kind of excited. Today I feel like it's gonna be our day. Let's see the quests. Let's first complete. Guys, comment down below. Guys, how I can solve this problem, I'll gift anything in Roblox, any game I like. Why isn't my chick invasion working? If someone can solve that problem, I will give you anything you like on any game, up to $100. If someone can solve that problem, comment down below what the problem is. And if it fixes, then my guy, I'll get you. Then I got you. But look at this. Okay. Let's go. Let's complete his quest. Let's complete Polar Bear's quest. Let's go to Pumpkin Patch. But as you can see, we do have some honey. No, guys, comment down below. Should I buy a hive slot or beekeeper's boots? Please comment down. Beekeeper's boots or hive slot? Which one? Like, which one should I get? Like, that's my question right now, bro. Oh no, where? No, but I have a special technique. Okay, guys. Always stay behind this pumpkin. Then he can't get you. Watch this. He doesn't get you behind if you're behind it. That's a good thing. Let's keep grinding. I really want to get that 30 zone and on that thing. Like, really want to get to that 30 zone. Alright, I think I'm done, right? Yeah, I'm done. Okay, now we just gotta defeat the mantis. Let's quickly bait the mantis. Yoink! Also, a trick for mantises is try to bait them. Like, circle around. Because they just get really confused. Let's go cash money. Alright, let's go up to Panda Bear. Nah, sorry for that little problem, guys. If you're okay with that, let's continue back. Alright, Panda Bear. We're gonna complete his quest next, but let's complete this guy's quest first. Or as I like to call him, Big Snowy Bear. But I know he's Polar Bear, but I just like to call him Big Snowy Bear. Alright. Talk to polar bear. That's all the ingredients I need. Okay, let me whip something. Let me whip something up. Chop, chop, chop. Sizzle. A dash of honey. Stir. All done. Enjoy. Well, I'm always ready to eat. I'll be waiting when you're ready for more cooking. Let's go, baby. The thing about polar bear is, comment down below. Do you think Onnit should add something after you can complete like 100 quests? Gives you a star jelly or star treat. I can ask him. Okay, let's see this guy. This is one of the easiest for me personally. Let's complete Black Bear's quest, actually. Alright. Roll ground up. Right now, let's go for the red pollen. Yeah, I think that'll work out. We can complete 2. We can go to the strawberry field and then we can hit the spider. Alright, let's just grind that red pollen. Bruh. I think I'm actually, one sec. I don't use my sprouts too much. I mean my magic beans. But if I need to, I must. If I do need to, I must. Alright, we have our very own. No, I just don't want like too much kids to come here. I'm okay with one kid coming here. Totally okay with that one. The more start piling up, then I get less of wood. And I don't want to plant it. Alright. We are trying to grind for that red. Come on. So close to brick. Yes! Dude, it's a whole stack of strawberries there. Oh, royal jelly. That's what you love to see. That's what you love to see. Our bag's starting to fill up. Bag is starting to fill up. Yes. Wait, actually, how much am I in my strawberry? Dude, I'm so close to. Oh my, I'm so close to beating that, dude. And then this all works out perfectly. All works out perfectly. We will be doing bee swarm. Oh, let's go. We will be doing bee swarm streams because one of my favorite games on Roblox. It helps, right? Because yeah. Bag is almost full. Let's go into the full bag though. I'm telling you, look at how hard Mother Bear's quests are. So close to getting 1,000 gumdrops, so I can start like inching closer to the freaking gummy bear. Gummy bee. Inching closer. It's in the red zone. Plus that much seconds. In the red zone, getting closer. Dude, I'm just so close, dude. It's so hard. What the? 50 million from Pepper Patch. Come on. Oh! Festive gifts. Thank you for the festive gifts. Oh wait, my back's full. Yeah. Alright, let's take all my gifts first, though. You know how much I love my gift. Alright. Let's get all this honey pollen out. Alright, dude. Alright. We are chilling right now, guys. Absolutely chilling. Actually, guys, this is going to be the end of the video. Thank you, guys, for stopping by and watching me play some Beast Swarm. If you guys love the content, make sure to like and subscribe for fresh new content every day. Love you guys. Peace.